Okay, guys. Now, today we're going to be talking about top 5 things to look for when you have a bad fuel pump. Okay. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click the link below uh, in the description, and you will get a link right there to get to buying a new fuel pump. Okay, a brand new fuel pump. Okay, so check the link in the description. All right. First thing, your car will lose power going up a hill or when it has a heavy load, when it have heavy load in the vehicle. Say you have like 4 people in the vehicle, yeah, the car will lose power when you're trying to move off. Okay, that's because there is the gas pump is not pushing enough power to the engine. Okay, next thing you want to look for is general your engine just don't start, your car just don't start. Yeah, engine don't start, no fuel is going to the engine. Okay, means you have your fuel pump is definitely gone. That's just something that you would definitely look for. You try to start the vehicle and the vehicle just don't start. Okay, number 3, your car sputters. All right, meaning that when you're driving the vehicle, it gain power and it loses power while you're driving. It gains pick up speed and it loses speed. Pick up speed and it loses speed. Yeah, that's a strong indicator telling you that your fuel pump is going bad. Okay, and you need to replace it. Okay, all right. Number 4. 4 is when you press on that, your car stalls. That's number 4. Your car stalls. All right. When you press on that gas pedal there, and you try to move off from like a stop, complete stop, and you press on that gas pedal, it will stall out. The car will just stall out on you. Sometimes it will start up back. You just start up back right away, right? And then move off. Okay. But when you try to move off from a dead spot, like you sink the gas pedal, like you're trying to launch, yeah, the car will just stall out on you. But when you're moving and you gently press on the gas pedal, it will slowly pick up speed. Slowly pick up speed. Okay? So it will slowly pick up speed, but if you definitely try to floor that gas pedal, yeah, it will just stall out on you. So that's an indicator to show you. That's an indicator showing you that, listen, your fuel pump is going bad. Okay. 5. There is no buzzing sound around the back. On the back seat, when you turn the key on the on position, you should hear a buzzing sound, a buzzing noise coming from your fuel tank. That's your fuel pump making that noise. Okay, when you turn the key and you listen and you do not hear any buzzing sound, yeah, that means you have a bad fuel pump. Okay, and you can also check your relay. Yeah, if your relay, your fuel pump relay, if your relay is going bad. Okay, and you can also check if there's power going to your fuel pump. Okay, so that's the top 5 things to look for. You have more things you can look for as well, but I'm just giving you a top 5 today. Okay, first, your car loses power, so you gotta look for that. Engine don't start, your car don't start. Okay, your car sputters. Yeah, loses power, gaining power, lose power, gain power. All right, and your car stall. Your car stall out. Your car stall out on you. Means you're driving and your car just shut off on you. When you're moving from a stop, you press on that gas pedal and the car just stalls out on you. Okay. No buzzing sound. Okay. That fuel pump not making any buzzing sound at all. When you turn the key to the on position, you should be having a buzzing sound coming from the fuel pump. All right. Okay, so you will not hear any buzzing sound. That means your fuel pump is definitely not working. You got to check if there's power heading to the fuel pump, or you can check your fuel pump relay. All right, guys, there will be a link below in the description section. You can click on that link so you can get a brand new fuel pump. And if you need a relay, you can check the description, click that link. So guys, thanks again. You can subscribe to my channel for my next upload. All right, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video.